Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mason Wabe, and I'm so glad to have you here. If you're someone who's constantly worried about your life, feeling confused, stressed, and inviting more problems, then this video is for you. You see, life can be tough sometimes. We all face challenges, difficulties, and problems that can leave us feeling overwhelmed. But here's the thing. No matter how difficult the situation may be, there is always a solution waiting for you. In the United States, it's been said that having a positive mindset is key. Even in the darkest of times, being positive can help you navigate through any problem you're facing. Now, I know it's easier said than done. But trust me, it's worth the effort. Instead of dwelling on negative thoughts, try to replace them with positive ones. Train your mind to see the good in every situation, even the ones that seem to bring you down. Remember, those challenging moments are not there to break you, but rather to make you stronger. You are capable of handling whatever life throws at you. As long as you're alive, you have the power to overcome any obstacle. It won't be easy, but with a positive mindset, you can turn those challenges into opportunities for growth. It's important to recognize that there will always be people watching us, waiting for us to fail. But you know what? It's up to you to prove them wrong. Focus on your own life and goals, and don't let the negativity of others bring you down. Some people don't care about your well-being. They're only interested in watching the lives of others unfold. But you have the power to save your own life, to take control and become the person you've always wanted to be. Remember, it is possible to become whoever you want to be. So, say goodbye to those negative thoughts and start believing in yourself. You have the potential to achieve greatness, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope this video has inspired you to embrace a positive mindset and tackle life's challenges head-on. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. Once again, thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay positive, stay motivated, and I'll see you in our next video. Take care.